everyone, welcome to RPIT Academics. I am Avika, working as an assistant professor in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus, Bastada. Today we are going to discuss about the titration curve explanation or titration curve for the precipitation titration. To understand this, a stepwise titration or precipitation titration at different stages will be useful. The main four regions of the titration curve are: first one is the beginning of the titration, when we just start adding silver nitrate to the chloride solution, silver chloride or any other solution. So first one is the beginning of the titration, second just before the equivalence point, third is at the equivalence point, and fourth is after the equivalence point, that means the access point of the titrant. So ions will be calculated, precipitates will be calculated, volume of sodium chloride unreacted multiplied by molarity of sodium chloride divided by the total volume. So at the beginning of the titration, no silver chloride is added to NaCl. In the starting, when NaCl is unreacted, because no silver chloride is added to that, the AgNO3 consumed is 0 and PCl will be 1. AgL consumed will be 0. And at the second point, as the titration continues, part of chlorine or chloride ions is precipitated as silver chloride. Some part is combined or some part is reacted with the silver chloride. And third is at the equivalence point. When we reach at the equivalence point, means volume of silver chloride react with volume of NaCl becomes equal, means reaction is complete. Then at that point silver ions will be equal to the chloride ions, and after that point, if we add excess of AgNO3, addition of excess of AgNO3, which will increase the silver ions and chloride ions will get decreased. So chloride ions will be 7.59. that is the calculation which we will do by this formula. Thank you and have a nice day. If you like the video, please share and subscribe our channel.